An educational video by Patanjali Rishikul, Prayagraj. Class 1 and 2. Subject Value Education. Topic Helping Others. Hello children, welcome back to your Value Education class. Our today's topic is helping others. Helping others is an act of kindness. It improves our mood and our self-esteem. It is also good for our mental health because we feel confident and happy when we help others who is in need of it. So let's see what do we understand by helping others and the ways by which we can help others. To help is to make it easier or possible for someone to do something by offering one's services or resources. Now let's see some of the ways by which we can help others. We can share our knowledge and the resources which we already have by God's grace. We should even help poor or financially challenged people. We can help them by providing food, clothing, and shelter. We can give them cash for medical treatment, provide medicine to them, and get them a job or self-employment. We can even help our mother at home by laying the table, helping her clean the groceries, making the bed, and keeping all the things in proper place. We can volunteer at a charity or a school. We can donate things that we no longer need or the things that is no longer in our use. We can help others by paying attention to the people around us and do whatever we can do to make their lives a little easier and better. Now let's see how do we feel while helping others. Others actually make us feel great. When we give to others, it boosts our self-esteem. We have stronger friendship when we help others. So children, always remember that God helps those who help themselves but blesses those who help others. Now let's watch a short story in which Viraj and his mother used to help a street dog Buddy, and after few days Buddy helped them in return.
Viraj loves playing with his toys and his friends. Every evening, after doing his homework, he goes to the park beside his house to play with his friends. He likes to play with his friends in the park situated beside his house. One day, while Viraj was going out to play with his friends, a small puppy came and wagged his tail for food. Viraj and his friends started laughing at him. One of his friends picked up a stone to throw at the puppy. Viraj's mom saw them and asked them to stop them immediately and told, "Puppy is wagging his tail as he may need some food." She went inside and bought some food and water for the puppy. Finishing his food, the puppy became happy and wagged his tail. Thereon, every day the puppy used to come and ask for food to his mother when Viraj used to go to the park. One day, Viraj asked his mother, "Ma, why do you give him food and water every day?" "We are responsible to everyone in our environment. The puppy is hungry, so we must give him food," his mother said. Viraj replied, "He's just a stray dog, Mom." "Beta, if we are capable to help someone, we should always do it. We never know who may help us too." Now even Viraj started to give him food and the puppy loved eating biscuits. The children in the locality started calling him lovingly as Buddy. The puppy now had many friends and was very happy with everyone staying in the locality. One night, While everybody was sleeping peacefully, the puppy began to bark loudly. Viraj got up and asked his mother to see what happened to Buddy. But as it was night time, Viraj's mother woke up Viraj's father. His father got irritated as the dog Buddy disturbed his sleep. He went out in anger. When he stepped out of his house, he found people from his neighborhood had also gathered. But to his surprise, he saw that there was a fire at the top of his roof. The locality people called the firefighters for help. Firefighters came and got rid of the fire. The people realized that actually Buddy was alarming everyone by barking, hence avoided a big accident. Everyone started appreciating the puppy and patted him for saving the neighborhood. Viraj said to his mother with excitement, "Mom, Buddy saved us tonight." She replied, "See, I told you, if we help them, they will help us too." Moral of the story: be kind and generous to your environment and take responsibility for its well-being. Helping others unconditionally, and someday it will help you.